Hello and a very warm welcome to another episode of Metro Heights. I'm your host Athar. कैसे हैं आप लोग सब viewers? Well, today's episode is a pre-recorded one, which is shared by which has been shared by Mystic Studio based out in New Delhi because it was not possible for me to visit the store. Now, today's episode is all about travel edit and party wear. So, in travel edit, you will get to see a quite comfortable smart shirts and kaftans, which will be casuals and the formal ones, suitable for parties. Okay, so please stay tuned. Do not skip the video. Few common things, fatafat. No COD, no free shipping, no refund, no exchange. Parcel opening video always mandatory for highlighting any kind of manufacturing defect. Both buying options are open, retail as well as wholesale. So prices that are going to be announced are going to be retail prices. So without any further delay, I give control to Nidhi. So over to you.
Hi everybody, I'm Nidhi Tandon and we are based out of Malviya Nagar, Delhi, and we are into wholesale and retail both. Today we have brought you a video which is a very customer friendly video for travel, for stocking up for your multi-designer boutiques or stores or a single piece buying, whichever which ways. Also, let me just introduce myself. So my brand name is Mystic Studio by Nidhi. We are based out of Malviya Nagar, Delhi, strictly by appointment for wholesale and retail. Our minimum wholesale requirement is 12 pieces MOQ or a 10,000 worth of purchase. And single piece आप जितना मर्जी ले सकते हैं. Shipping on 2 articles will be free for retail, not wholesale, because wholesale 12 पीस से ऊपर जाता है. And also DHL for abroad and DTDC courier for India. Parcel opening video is mandatory for us because we are also human. हो सकता है 300 पीस में से एक पीस में कोई इशू आ गया तो हम उसको amicably solve करेंगे. So let's start off the video. The video could be a little long, but please see it in 2 parts. You'll find a treasure. For travel, for day-to-day wear, to the core Western, Indo-Western, for your little sundowners and weddings ke beech mein functions, in even trouser requirements. So we are starting off with some shirts first. So the first piece I'm showing you is a beautiful shirt, and usually all accessories are all inclusive. And जो भी accessory आप ना लेना चाहें, we can deduct the price. So this is a pure cotton nice shirt. पीछे भी आप देख सकते हो बहुत सुंदर सा इसमें 2 lines आ रहे हैं, 3 lines rather, with this neck piece. Medium to double XL can buy. The price point for this is 1050. Then we have a black one, medium to XL रहेगा ये. Beads are there with it, 999 only. Another one is this beige cotton lurex. This is also a very elegant piece. This will run to the plus sizes as well, meaning 46 tak I can promise you, 48 also I can promise with the beads. The price is 1100 with the beads. Another one, ये सारा cotton का range आ रहा है guys, summer friendly आ रहा है, is a शिफले. So शिफले की आप lines देख सकते हो, sleeves भी stylish देख सकते हो, हल्का सा embroidery है cloth में ही. Small, medium, large and XL with the beads, 999. A black and white diaries. So you can have a look at this beautiful black and white piece with this beads, 999 only. The size is small, medium, large only. And then we have this grey. So grey also, I mean, these kind of pieces you can use for your offices also. Medium to XL, pure ikkat sort of a piece. The price is 999 only, medium to XL. Another one. So we'll be covering very fast because we have lot of articles, guys. So small, medium, large and XL, very nice cheese cottonish cloth with this beads, 999 only. Small, medium, large, XL. This one is an embroidered piece, guys. SM to a XL. Very elegant piece, very well done. Look at this. With the beads, 999 only. Another one is this. So ये वाला आपका बहुत ही pretty सा आ रहा है. इसमें देखो किस तरह का material आ रहा है. You will need a little lining over it. Very pretty neck piece. Neck pieces you can inquire and buy separately also. Medium to XL, a beautiful piece, prices 1195 for this beautiful piece. Another one is this blue. So blue भी देखो पूरा embroidered piece आ रहा है, ये प्योर कॉटन, चीज कॉटन में यहाँ पर सारा इस तरह से आ रहा है गदाई, और you could call it Pintex. Price is 1195. The size is medium to a double XL. Sometimes you know I might mention XL तक है और उसमें double XL भी हो सकता है, please inquire करो. Now this is from the oversize category. It's a American size, so anybody who's a plus size, you can buy this article. And the price point for this is 1495 with the embroidery denim shirt. 1495 with the embroidery. जो भी थोड़ा सा इस तरह से embroidered होगा, then it will go higher. इसके colors और बनने हैं, आप हमारे से इसकी इंक्वायरी कर सकते हैं. And the piece I am wearing right now is also for sale. I have 3 pieces in this color also. The price is 1100. Oversize है ये भी. Then oversize में हम आपको ये वाला piece दिखा रहे हैं. ओवरसाइज में हम ये वाला पीस दिखा रहे हैं, बहुत प्यारा सा आर्टिकल है ये गाइस. द प्राइस और मीडियम भी मिलेगा इसमें, इज 1400 ओनली. 1400 ओनली. Another one. This is a very pretty denim shirt guys. Beads भी हैं and हल्का फुल्का काम है. Small, medium, large. Very rich diaries. The price is 1250. 1250 only. Another one is this. So ये आपका बहुत ही प्यारा सा पीस है, मीडियम टू एक्सेल टाइप्स. प्राइजेस फ्लैट 1000. मीडियम टू एक्सेल. Another color flat 1000. They are all coming with beads guys. Please note it. Another piece is this. Look at this. ये भी सेम ही कैटेगरी आ रही है, फ्लैट 1000 पर. Another one is this. Very very cute, nice number. That's the gray shirt, medium to XL category. Price is flat 1000. Another one is this. This is a very cute denim piece. And this is the look. Price is 1250 only, medium to XL. So that's the kind of shirts which we are offering you today. And these were like a sister brother. They are such pretty pieces not available in the market. And usually it's for dog charity guys. हम ये सब करते हैं और सबको पता है करते हैं. Then we have this Diamante piece. It's medium to XL only. Price is 1400 for the Diamante shirt. 1400 मार्केट में आई थिंक यही पीस आपको 2800 का मिलेगा मिनिमम. Another one. Medium, large and XL. Very pretty number. Beautiful color. Price is 1095. Another one is a plain view. इसमें सिर्फ अगर आप देखोगे तो पिंटेक्स आ रहा है, ब्यूटीफुल से बीड्स आ रहे हैं और मल कॉटन है. मीडियम टू एक्सेल, डबल एक्सेल कैटेगरी. एक्सेल तो डेफिनेटली. पीछे भी ये इस तरह से पिंटेक्स आ रहा है. पिंटेक्स इज अ एक्सपेंसिव थिंग. प्राइस इज 1095. Another piece with beautiful embroidery. Medium to double XL category. Look at the beautiful work. And this 1095 only. Another piece is this. Another piece is this. Look at this. The price is medium to 2XL category. Beautiful neck piece to go with it. 1095 only. Another piece is this. So look at this beautiful cotton piece. मीडियम से लेकर आपका ये वाला पीस जो जा रहा है, मीडियम टू एक्सेल है, ब्यूटीफुल पीस है. 1250 only. Look at the statement article. 1250 only. Then we have this with Shifley, prices 999 only, pure cotton. एंड इस तरह से शिफले जा रहा है 999 ओनली. लेट्स मूव टू अनदर फैब्रिक. ये तो सारा कॉटन था. बीच में हमने आपको ये आपको जॉर्जेट का, ल्यूरिक्स जॉर्जेट का पीस दे दिया है. दिस मीडियम टू एक्सेल, प्राइजेस 999 ओनली. देन वी हैव अनदर पीस. इसमें सारी एम्ब्रॉयडरी है. ये देखिए, मीडियम टू एक्सेल, डबल एक्सेल रहेगा with the embroidery. The price is 1200 only. This comes with a lining. These are imported shirts, guys. Do not miss it. The price of these are medium to XL category में है 1450 only. Then we have this kind of a look. इसमें आपके पास small, medium, large भी है और डबल एक्सेल तक भी है. कहीं सोचो कि इतना ही है, नहीं, डबल एक्सेल तक भी है. प्योर कॉटन है. ये 888 पे रहेगा. Another piece for 888 guys is a plain look, medium to XL only, 888 only, cotton linen. Now this is a mull cotton. You will definitely need a lining under it. The price is 700 only with the beads. इसमें आपको साइजिंग मिल जाएगी. Another one, ये आपका 3XL तक साइज जाएगा, फ्लैट 1000. Another piece is not cotton totally, it's a cotton blend. Price of this medium to 3XL category now is flat 1000. Another piece, ये आपका ओवरसाइज में जा रहा है और ये पीस आपका जो पीस है ये सारा एम्ब्रॉयडरी के साथ जा रहा है. ये देखो, ओवरसाइज. प्राइस ऑफ दिस इज ओनली एंड ओनली flat 1000. Another one is a small, medium, large and XL. The price is 999 only. Then we have another American size. Why we have got American sizes is so that everybody should be happy. So इसका अंगरख स्टाइल है. वैसे तो कोई भी डाल सकता है ओवरसाइज में. I am also wearing a oversized shirt today. That's the trend. The price is 1195. अब इसको छोटा बड़ा करा सकते हैं खुद. If you want alterations with us, they are chargeable. Medium स्टेटमेंट शर्ट आ गई फिर से. 1200 की है ये, 1250 रादर. एंड पूरा आप हैंडवर्क इसका देख सकते, थ्रेड है, पूरा थ्रेड वर्क है. मीडियम टू एक्सेल. देन वी हैव दिस M to 3XL and the price point is 999 only. प्योर कॉटन अगेन, बहुत अच्छा कॉटन है, बेहतरीन कॉटन है. ये आपका 3XL to 4XL रन कर रहा है विद द बीड्स. द प्राइस इज 1095. अनदर पीस आपका ये मीडियम टू XL, डबल XL रन कर रहा है, 999 ओनली. कॉटन ल्यूरिक्स, बहुत प्यारा सा आर्टिकल है ये, वेरी प्रिटी आर्टिकल. मीडियम टू XL ही रहेगा और ये सारा इधर काम है. 999. Nobody will offer you this kind of rates on shirts like this, and you know it, guys. Medium to XL, beautiful shirt again. That price is 999 only. So usually what is coming in the market is like imported shirt, Chinese shirts, which a lot of people are doing, but ours are very uncommon and very different. मीडियम टू 3XL, सिंगल पीसेस हैं सारे. छोटे बड़े हम खुद करा के देंगे. किसी किसी में 2-2, 3-3 पीसेस हैं. एंड द प्राइस पॉइंट इज ओनली एंड ओनली flat 1000. Lyric, this is a Shifley. Then we have small, medium, large to an XL, 999. Another piece is this imported shirt, which is a free size between medium to a 44 Rest, if you want, we can alter. The price is 1400. Another imported shirt, मीडियम टू एक्सेल रहेगी ये. यहाँ पर बकल आ गया, फ्लैट 1000. Another one, ये आपकी मीडियम टू 3XL है, प्राइस है 700. Medium to a large XL, you can check with us for the size of this because we have a few sizes. 700. A very cute pink with the beads, 999. प्योर कॉटन है ये भी, और साइज इसका जाएगा मीडियम टू डबल एक्सेल. मीडियम टू डबल एक्सेल अगेन, साइज इसका जाएगा बता दिया, 999. Another piece, now this is a cute number, satin crepe में है, मीडियम टू a XL. Another one, now we didn't require a neck piece to this. This is a georgette. You definitely need a lining under it or a slip because everybody has a different idea and perception. Medium to XL, a very pretty nice number, double XL rather. Price is 999. Another piece is this, and this one is 999, 3XL तक जाएगा. Another शिफले आर्टिकल. नाउ शिफले में, शिफले हमारा सबसे ज्यादा चलन का आर्टिकल है. मीडियम टू गुड, जैसे ये देखो इसका टाई अप, मीडियम टू गुड एक्सेल, डबल एक्सेल रहेगा ये, और इसमें लाइनिंग की जरूरत डेफिनेटली है. 999. वाइट शिफले, द नीड ऑफ द आवर. विल ऑल्सो शो यू मोर वाइट शिफलेस. ये लॉन्ग एंड हिप कवरिंग और बहुत अच्छा सा लॉन्ग पीस है. So medium to a double XL, the price point of this is 999. Another American size, and I think blue तो बहुत ही सुंदर लगता है guys, इसे मिस मत करना. Price is only and only 999, and this is up till the 50 size. Another article, ये भी आपका शिफले का है, 750 पर, medium to double XL, pure cotton. I think this was really appreciated in the last video, so we've gotten more 2 colors guys, do not miss them. Georgette, a little fancy, up till 50 भी जाएगा ये, हमारे पास 50 तक भी है इस पे sizes. Price has gone down on this video at 1100. Now this is the most appreciated thing which we had in the last video. Single piece available now, free size रहता है ये, and 1195 रहता है. Another one, ये आपका आ गया जॉर्जेट का गाइस. मीडियम टू आपका साइज रहेगा इसका, गुड एक्सेल. प्राइस इसका रहेगा ओनली 650. Another one is this, very pretty nice article. ये भी आपका शिफले का जा रहा है, and look at the शिफले out here. Price is 1095 only. Another nice jute cotton sort of a piece, black and white. इसका neck piece भी आ गया, very well matched and will go till the 3XL sizes. Is only 1095. And another one is this oversized piece. इसमें आपको sizing मिल जाएगी. Price is cheese cotton है guys, 1095. Another oversized piece, 1095. So you can see that these are 2 colors, very pretty 2 colors, 1095 only. Then we have these shirt dresses, and believe you me, when you're going to a beach, this is the answer, because you can wear it over your cycling shorts or anything. And this one is a 1250. I personally have these 2 pieces. They are just ravishing because I love to wear shirt dresses. And the price is 1250 only. This one is mull, this is a cheese cotton, and with styling at the back, with buttons at the back. 1250 only. You wear it as a dress or you wear it as a shirt. Another shirt dress is this. Hello. Another shirt dress is this. ये आपकी small medium और लार्जेस्ट को ही आएगी. Price is 1250. Another cheese cotton. So these are breathable articles in whichever part of India or the world you are. ये भी आपकी शर्ट ड्रेस है, आप शर्ट की तरह डालो. जैसे मैं लॉन्ग विद अ प्लाजो डालती हूँ बिकॉज इजी ब्रीजी फॉर समर रहता है. And this is with this kind of a meenakari neck piece, medium to a 3XL. The price point of this beautiful article is 1200. Another high-low pattern like this. Either you wear it with a lower or you wear it just like that. Is 1250 with foldable sleeves and a denim rugged look. So rugged look is really in, we know, and this in the market would be 3500 probably. Another piece is this. Now this is a very cute article. ये बहुत स्टाइलिश सी स्टनिंग सी शर्ट है. इसमें हमने बहुत लंबी स्लिप दे दी है. अगर आपको स्लिप नहीं चाहिए यू कैन इग्नोर इट और गेट इट कट. हमने दे दी है बस just to let it pop up. Medium to a XL, very pretty statement piece for 1650 only. Another statement piece and common for all हो जाते हैं ये pieces guys. Is this with a wooden neck piece, 1250. So that's a kaftan look, but yet anybody could wear it. And now starting off with our kaftan collection, and we are world famous for our formal to the casual kaftans. It's not boasting, it's a fact of our lives. So it became more viral before the pandemic where people didn't know the K of the kaftans. And we were one of the first people to launch it in the Emporio Mall, Delhi, in one of the exhibits. And yet is history reaching all multi-designer stores. So this time we've got you some casual wear kaftans which are common for all women. Common for all women because they are free sizes. The price of these long ones. So first I would like to show you these long ones. Long में भी हमारा सुबह से भी काफी बिक चुके हैं. So अभी मैं सिर्फ samples दिखा रही हूँ थोड़े से. And by the time maybe the video releases, you'll have a new stream of kaftans coming up. So the long ones are 1495. The short ones. So the length of this is 48 guys. And the short ones out here. Very bad. Short ones out here are for 1295. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll just move it on so that you know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. These are all, this number are all short ones which are 38 inches. You can wear it as dresses. So I can show you my own picture wearing it as a dress. It looks ravishing. One of another long ones I'm showing you. Another long one. ये भी आप देख लो सर. ये आपका जैसे ही लॉन्ग आता है ये 1495 हो जाता है. शॉर्टर वन का हमने 1295 कर दिया. So now it's easy for you to decipher. Now this is a statement piece with a statement neck piece. ये आपका प्योर कॉटन में है 1495. प्योर कॉटन ड्रॉ स्ट्रिंग है इसमें और इसको आप छोटा बड़ा कर सकते हो. जो हमने ये वाला आपको दिखाया था इसमें कोई ड्रॉ स्ट्रिंग नहीं है. इट्स नॉट दैट कैटेगरी ऑफ ड्रॉ स्ट्रिंग. देन दिस इज अनदर काफ्तान. इसमें भी ड्रॉ स्ट्रिंग है. ये विस्कोस रियॉन का है 1495 ओनली पर. इट्स नॉट कॉटन. ओके, but yet cool. This one is a cotton and a statement piece. You can wear it as a dress or a kaftan as you wish to wear in your culture. The price is 1295. Another one. This doesn't have a slip. Please understand. Very pretty. Nice piece. The price is 1195 because this is different. And now I'm getting you a stream of different pieces which are not available in the market again. So what's the use of doing stuff which is available in the market? It's no fun. So this one is with a statement neck piece, and I'll explain the piece to you. This has a glazed cotton inner and a crepe outer. Anybody can wear it. कोई भी इसे डाल सकता है. Price of this is only and only 1850 because of the neck piece. और इनर में हमारे पास बहुत ज्यादा मार्जिन है, आप आराम से किसी भी साइज में डाल सकते हैं. Another one is this. इसमें आपके पास ऑप्शन है क्रेप के, हमने क्रेप का इनर दिया, बट आप कॉटन भी ले सकते हैं. और ये आपका प्योर कॉटन मल का आउटर है. बहुत प्रिटी सा पीस है. प्राइस इज 1650 ओनली. Now, what is that it made us world famous are these beautiful kaftans, which are made in pure chinon georgettes, and they are not stitched on the sides, only the inner is stitched. And this is another one. So I'm showing you different samples, guys. 1, 2, 3. आप इसकी embroidery देखो कितनी महीन है. It is just very very बारीक embroidery. And these are free sizes. Even the inners have like 8 inches margins, and there are different patterns which we are showing you. This one, and especially for this session we always get in more pieces, and they are used for sundowners, wedding functions, your 50th, 30th, 40th, 60th birthdays, and wherever you want to use it. Cocktails. And these are pure pieces going to different multi-designer stores all over India, all over the world. Then the most nice and sorted piece is this one. Then we have this. So you can see that there's ombre and the plain ones. Then we have the most famous of it all, the rose, which is really pretty. And today what we have gotten for you are kaftan quads, which were really not there from lot of videos. This is all metal work. Prices of all our kaftans are strictly on demand, but I'll give you a little idea for your sake. It's 3500 to a 4500 depending on the style number. So इस तरह से आपका आ रहा है. That's the lower. Another one is this. So these are with palazzos. ये वाला सारा palazzo का setup आ रहा है. Then we have this one, mirror work, real mirrors. Another one is this green. These are all with palazzos, guys. सारे के सारे palazzos के साथ हैं. They are all statement pieces and very rich, nice numbers. पूरा handwork के साथ. Then we have this one, again a statement piece. Sometimes when they are not on the rack, supposing आप order करो और मेरा आज ही 10 पीस या 20 पीस बिक जाता है, so it goes on a waiting for a month. You can't suddenly say कि आज मेरा काफ्तान नहीं आया. वो आप हमारे से पूछ लीजिए ready to ship है कि नहीं. Then we have crepe pieces like this. These are 60-gram crepe, all handwork, a high-low drape like this. Look at this. Very very rich looking and beautiful. Then 2 colors in this one. This is also crepe, guys. These are the pieces. You can take out your hand here. Anything you want to see on a video call for wholesale is possible for sure. And then we have these 3. So these are always, we try to restock them again and again and again, because these are easy breezy pure chinon georgette pieces. और जो कलर ऊपर आ रहा है उसी का आपको लोअर मिलेगा. So these are all 1, 2 and 3. And then we have the high lows like this. These are also drapes. इसकी जो लुक है हैंगर से ज्यादा आपको इसको दिखेगी डाले हुए. Then we have more kaftan quads like these. Color 1 is this charcoal gray. Color 2 is this. These are 3500 only with the lower. Another one is this. So couple of them you could see it as model shoots as well now, and it'll be very nice for you. And these are in, this one is in crepe with the trousers. Another piece crepe with trousers is this. Very very rich looking and beautiful. A bandhage look is this. So this video is not only for a travel edit, it's also for amalgamating your collection for Rakhi, Tej and all the festivities like Eid, which is just starting right now. These three are on a special discount and you can get a model shoot to see this also at 2650 only. 2650 only. Then we have drapes like this, and for the first time we have gotten a navy blue color. It's a very different vibe, believe you me. And the navy blue is just gorgeous. Look at this. Another one is again a drape. Do not miss it. Here you go with another piece and another vibe. Very rich looking. A printed look like this. These are all easy breezy pieces. You will be able to see a lot of model shoots with these pieces. All handwork, all 60-gram crepe, all beautiful pieces. And we haven't forgotten the people who like tulip pants. This is the answer for that. Look at this. Very pretty pieces with tulip pants. Piece 1, piece 2. The most highly sellable has been this one right now, because this I've put on a discount at 2650 again. And somebody had a comment recently for this piece saying कि कभी भी मैंने कहीं भी ये 3500 से below नहीं देखा. How come you're selling it for this much? Because we are into wholesale also. And this is all in all handwork again, crepe. The next piece to go is this, guys. Do not miss it. It's again a drape. Yet another piece is this. It's in super soft organza. Another one is this. Do not miss it. These are all the formal pieces which are touching different multi-designer stores. This is a gown, guys, in 2 colors. So आप देख सकते हो कि इसकी स्लीव्स थोड़ी सी, ये तो दुपट्टा जिसमें अगेन नलकी का काम है, स्लीव्स आप जितनी मर्जी कटवा सकते हैं. हमने आपको जो दी है स्लीव्स लॉन्ग दी है, बट यू कैन गेट देम कट. Price of these gowns are strictly on demand and they are ravishing classic pieces. Another one are these. These are the sari gowns which are again really popular, and always somebody or the other would like to pick it up from us, because India is such a place that आए दिन कुछ ना कुछ हो ही रहा होता है. कोई फंक्शन, कोई सत्संग, कोई wedding, and these are only 2588. Again a very pretty vibe. Another one is again a very rich piece. It's a drape. So no trousers with this, medium to double XL available. Another piece is this. So this is with the trousers. Again, you can take out your hand. 3500 only. Now this section is all about beautiful quads, and this is a pure muslin quad, guys. Pura super soft, nice piece hai, and breathable hai. Medium to 46 is available in this. The price is 2100. Another one is this print, 2100 only. Here you go with another one, 2100 only. These are all pure muslin premium quads. Super nice कि आप कहीं पे भी easy breezy इसको डाल सकते हो at any age, medium to 46. Then we have full on jal pieces like this. So इसके color tones आप देख लीजिए. Medium to double XL रहेंगे, and these are the color tones which are really pretty and nice. And look at the back. The price is 2488 only, pure cotton linen. Then we have these imported pieces like this. Medium to 44, 46 तक ये मिलेंगे आपको, और इस तरह की लुक रहेगी at 2295 only. 22.95 only. Another imported quads are this flower work. At the moment we have 2 colors only, but maybe when the video releases we have much more. Easy breezy travel quads. Then you can have a look at this one. बहुत pretty से pieces है, पूरे कटदाने के साथ. Price is 2588 only. The quad which always stays with us is this. So this is a Kaddana quad with chiffon sleeves. बहुत pretty से pieces are with chiffon sleeves. The price of these quads are 2588 only. Another quad is a single piece, but we have sizes and we might have more colors in this. The price is 2488 only. It's khadi, cotton, linen and a muslin blend. Then we have this one, medium large, 1899. These are in cotton, pure cotton ke quads hai. Look at the piece. Medium to 3XL available. Medium to XL, double XL available. 1495 is this one. Then we have this one with a little hanging and a bohemian vibe. 1999, a little C-cut sort of a piece. And another one in the black and white series is a muslin quad. Few sizes available. Price is 1888 now. Plus sizes, we haven't forgotten you. This is a very pretty quad for the plus size, a travel edit. Will go till a 56. 1999. Another quad medium to plus जाएगा. इसमें हमारे पास plus भी है, medium भी है. 2299. Another one, medium to plus, 2299 denim. This one is available from medium to a 4XL. Beautiful quads, imported, 2299. This one is a little special quad with a little super soft organza piece, 2199. Divider का piece है. Then we have these ones. इनमें क्या कॉमन फीचर है? बेल्ट. इसे टाइटन लूजन करा सकते हैं. कॉटन के क्वाड्स हैं और डिफरेंट प्रिंट्स है हमारे पास. प्राइस इज 1495 ओनली. 1495 ओनली. नेक्स्ट आपका बहुत ही क्यूट सा क्वाड है, इसे मिस मत करना. प्रिंटेड, नाइस एंड एलिगेंट. फ्यू साइजेस अवेलेबल. 1900. इसमें हमारे पास रेड वाले में 52 साइज भी है और मीडियम भी है और ये 44 तक है. बोहेमियम वाइब्स, मीडियम टू एक्सल, 1888 ओनली. अनदर वन काफ्तान क्वाड्स है ये देखो. और द प्राइस इज वेरी स्पेशल एट 2199 दिस टाइम. एंड नाउ अ कलेक्शन ऑफ व्हाइट एंड ऑफ व्हाइट. व्हाइट और ऑफ व्हाइट में यू कैन सी दिस वन. ये इसका लोअर है, आप देख सकते हैं. ये देखो, लोअर पे इस तरह का वर्क है. और ये द प्राइस इज 1750. इजी ब्रीजी क्वाड लाइक दिस, फ्री साइज. प्राइस इज 1999. This one is a 1295 guys. Medium to XL is available. 1295 pure cotton. Then a khada cotton quad like this. सी कट आ रहा है इसमें. इसमें भी सारे साइजेस आपको 46 तक मिलेंगे. मीडियम टू 46. खड़ा कॉटन क्वाड. प्राइस इज 1999 only. Then we have a printed vibe in the this like this. Beautiful one. 1999 only. All sizes available. And another one, 1999 only. All sizes available. This one is 1750. एंड इस तरह का लुक आएगा और इसमें भी आपको एप्लिक मिल जाएगा. 1750. अ ब्यूटिफुल क्वाड, अ रिंकल इन अ स्पेशल क्वाड. अ फ्यू साइजेस अवेलेबल. प्राइस इज only and only 2599 only, and there's a potli also. Another one, these are very nice spots for 1750. मसलिन के हैं और ब्रीदेबल हैं, हल्का सा काम है. देन वी हैव अ लॉन्ग क्वाड लाइक दिस वन. लॉन्ग क्वाड में आपको ये वाला मिल जाएगा और इस तरह से आपको लोअर मिल जाएगा सी कट में. 46 साइज तक. So this is a very rich, nice number, or this is a very beautiful quad, 1999. Then we have this one, आप ये भी देख सकते हैं खड़ा. It's a super soft cotton, and these are the fringes. 1999. Another pure cotton, 1999 again. Another one with the fringes, 1999 again. Now I'm getting you a little शिफले quads, और इसमें common feature ये रहेगा, back is cotton, यहाँ पे imported fabric है, और imported fabric के नीचे भी cotton है. So it's so breathable, so nice. So इसमें ना mixing में आपको बहुत सारे pieces मैं दिखा रही हूँ. प्राइस इसका 2488 रहेगा for this video. Piece 1, piece 2, piece 3. Another शिफले का एक और पैटर्न्स डिफरेंट आ रहे हैं. 3 पैटर्न्स चल रहे हैं इसमें. Then this with little work below. This also with little patching below. So it's not work, patching below. ये तीनों सेम आते हैं. 1, 2, 3. And now we have this one. It's again a very pretty quad, medium to a double XL. मल का है. ये देखिए. Very pretty piece. 2499. Another ones, इसमें आपको ओवरसाइज भी मिल जाएंगे और नॉर्मल साइजेस भी मिलेंगे. क्रॉशिया के हैं, बहुत प्रिटी क्रॉशिया वर्क है. पीस 1, 2 and 3. Now we again have a series of white शिफले. Do not miss the शिफले. ये वाला आपका प्लस साइजेस तक जाएगा, मीडियम टू प्लस. 52 is in my hand, so that you can have a look. 2488. Another one, ये आपका मिरर वर्क के साथ आ गया. Price is 1999. That's the trousers. 1999. Another one is this. Again शिफले rugged look आ रहा है इसका. देखो बहुत pretty सा piece आ रहा है. This one is a 2299. A pure linen. This is a linen one. Do not miss it. All sizes available. Prices 1999. A little darker chart for people who like dark chart, medium to double XL. 1999 again. Now this is an imported crepe, guys, medium to double XL. Price is 1750. And these two pieces coming with so much of heavy work in the bottom is again a 1650. Again a darker crepe chart. Do not miss the darker crepe chart. Lot of sizes. 1999 again. And then we have this one. इसके अंदर आपको sizes और color मिल जाएगा. अभी my stock had gone for an exhibition, so I don't have the green color. There's a green color also. Please check on to with us. High low. And a beautiful piece, 1999. Another beautiful quad, the butterfly quad. The price is 2299. Here you go with another one. Medium large XL. Beautiful vibe. 1750. Another one, इसमें आपके पास मीडियम से लेकर प्लस है. 1888. And now some dress look. So dress look में ये हमने आपको ट्विन सेट दिखाया इस तरह से. आप देखिए. The price is 1888. इसको आप ड्रेसेस या नीचे लोअर के साथ डाल सकते हैं. 1888 प्योर कॉटन. Do not miss it. Another one, इसका inner is cotton, glaze cotton, outer is crepe. 1888. These, the common feature between them is that it comes with statement neck pieces, and you can wear as dresses or with a palazzo. They look really ravishing. Then we have this one, 1888. Again cotton and cotton base outside. So they are like jacket pieces, we call them, with statement neck pieces. That's a vibe basically. Then this we have at 1495. You can see the jacket. Jacket you can use again and again in different outfits. या आप मीडियम से लेकर प्लस साइजेस तक हमारे से ले सकते हैं. Then we have this. For all the people who are buying wholesale, we usually do not put a Mystic Studio tag. So that's easy for you. Now this is a crushed cotton, amazing cotton which we are showing you. And a few sizes are available in each. Neck piece will change with every purchase. And this is the look of the piece. Price is 1495. Another one, 1495 and this is Georgette. So you can see कि ये ब्रासो kind Georgette आ रही है self में with a neck piece. 1495. This one is a 1195 medium to a double XL. A free size look, it takes your body shape. Otherwise, if you can tell us, we can alter also. This is a very pretty piece for 1250. Another easy breezy piece is this one. We can change the neck piece to a better one though. The price will show you again. Show it with another better neck piece, please. This piece. Another one. Medium to a double XL. Another pure cotton piece. Pure cotton ka piece, a medium to a double XL. The price of this is 1250. A bohemian dress, medium to a XL. 1095. Another one. Small, medium, large. Only and only 1095. Another bohemian dress. Medium to double XL with a false mirror. 1095. Another one. ये आपका बहुत ही pretty सा bohemian dress आ रही है. इसको आप किसी भी चीज के साथ यूज कर सकते हो. The price of this is 1195. Do not miss this kind of a vibe. Look at this. आगे से ऐसे, पीछे से ऐसे. Meaning there's a U-cut in the front. 1250. Another one is this. Medium to a double XL. The price is only and only 1195. Medium to XL. Very pretty dress. 1195. A very pretty vibe in the pure cotton, and this is all false mirrors. The price is 1100. A beautiful look wherein this kind of a look is free size, and this is what I was showing you at 1250 pure cotton linen with foldable sleeves. You can fold up the sleeves. There's a button here. Medium to a double XL. The price is, sorry, medium to XL lag raha hai zyada, but you can check with us. The price is flat 1000. Small, medium, larges, we haven't forgotten you. Up till an XL with elastic here, 1100. Medium to a double XL again, 1100. Crepe है ये guys. और ये वाला आपका plus size में आ रहा है. Whoever is a plus size buy, otherwise do not buy this piece, please. Price is 1100. Now this is more like a kurta and a dress. अगर आप क्लोज कर लोगे तो ड्रेस है, ओपन रखोगे तो कुर्ता है. मीडियम टू डबल एक्सेल. एक में आपका नेक पीस आ रहा है और एक में इस तरह की एम्ब्रॉयडरी आ रही है. बोथ आर 1250 each. 1250 each. This is medium to XL pure cotton. The price is 1200 only. This one will run up to the plus sizes. The price is 1100 only. The neck piece is so cute. The people who like without sleeves. High-low, flat 1000. A cotton denim, medium to a 3XL. The price is only and only 1195. A crepe article now only available in medium to a XL. 1095. Super soft, nice fabric this is. Another one. Medium to a XL, very nice crepe article, 1195. An imported piece like this. Look at this. 1650. A few sizes available till an XL, flat 1000. A few sizes available till 38, flat 1000. Another article medium to a XL, double XL, flat 1000. It's chiffon with the lining. Very pretty article, 999 medium to a XL. Very nice article. Look at this. medium to a double XL, 1195. It's a cotton blend. Pure linen diaries. Do not miss this article. Pure cotton linen, medium to a XL, double XL. Very pretty piece. That's 1450. The fabric is very expensive for this. Medium, large, and an XL. And up till a double XL, 1195. Do not miss this cotton vibe. It's a kurta कम a slit भी है तो आप ड्रेस भी बना सकते हो. शिफले भी आ रहा है. Price is 1100. A bohemian pattern like this is flat 1000 in Georgette. Medium to a XL आएगा ये वाला. Pure cotton vibe coming in. Medium to a large. XL again. Flat 1000. This one will run into the plus sizes. Do not forget it. The price is 1100. Another one. Now इसमें मेरे दो सीरीज आ रही हैं. ये वाला आपका प्लस जाएगा. 1495 में इम्पोर्टेड पीस है. और ये वाला जो आपका जा रहा है ये आपका मीडियम टू अ डबल एक्सएल जाएगा. ये भी आपका 1495 आ रहा है. So these are the kind of pieces which we have shown you by the video. ये वाला आपका सारे साइजेस के लिए आएगा. प्योर कॉटन लिनन 1195. And we would like to close the video with this piece, which is small, medium, large. Pure cotton mull. Pure cotton mull. Prices flat 1000. Look at the work here. And this one is again extra small, small, and a medium only. With embroidery, 888. Another cotton piece, 999. Pure cotton medium to a XL. And this is the last piece of the day, guys. A very pretty piece. Do not miss it. With a neck piece. It's a tunic, but we have given the tunic a little lower. The price is 1495. So this is where we will close the video for Metro Heights. Please watch the video in 2 parts because our videos are usually long, guys. And just find a treasure there. I haven't shown you any suits purposely. We wanted to get the video like this only. Thank you.